What's up everyone, it's Sean from Our Bronco Life, and today I'm going to go over some of the features that you can use with your XForce smartphone app to control your VAREX Smart Box Bluetooth exhaust valve controller. Now if you haven't already checked out our install video of our XForce exhaust system, make sure you do so on our channel as well. Now we've had our XForce exhaust installed for a little over a month now, and we absolutely love it. We love the way it looks, the way it sounds, and most importantly, the customization we get with the Smart Box controller. Being able to control the sound of our exhaust within seconds has been an awesome feature that we absolutely love. Hooking up the Smart Box controller is simple. Just make sure your Smart Box has close access to a power source. Connect it to the power, then run it directly to the muffler. Then plug into your OBD2 port and run it to the Smart Box controller, and then connect the antenna for your GPS features. What's also great is the GPS antenna is magnetized too, so you can really stick it anywhere. With the smartphone app, there are 3 different modes that you can control your exhaust: manual, matrix, and geo. The first one is manual, where you can get precise adjustment of the exhaust positions as little as 1%, plus save and program preset positions where you can adjust with a simple one touch on the app. Next is matrix mode, where you can program 4 different presets based on real-time information of RPMs, throttle, and speed, making it extremely customizable. When you hit a certain band setting, the exhaust valve will automatically change to your selected setting. Lastly is the geo mode. This allows you to program GPS locations with a selected radius to automatically adjust your exhaust valve. Whether you're close to home or work and want it to adjust, you can do that. As you leave or enter the selected radius, your valves will automatically adjust. Open. I hope you enjoyed our XForce exhaust demo with the smartphone app and showcasing all the features that it has to offer. I'll make sure to leave a link to the product in the description below. Thanks for checking out our channel, and we'll see you next time.